Welcome back, guys. James Rodney Jones. Recently, I did this chorus. Let the power of the Holy Ghost fall on me. Anointing fall on me. And I just wanted to share with you how to play that on the piano. So stick around. So we start out by going to the B flat major 7. Anointing fall on me. We repeat that again. So I'm going to tell you this time what I'm doing. I'm going to B flat, major 7, A minor, D minor, G minor, C. But on the second time through, I'm going to go B flat major 7, A minor, D minor, G minor, C suspension. And then you go, let the power of, and all that is an F11 or an E flat over the F. Power of the Holy Ghost, F over A. B flat major 7, fall on A minor, G diminished, me. And if you want to go to that G diminished over that 5 sharp, anointing, F over C, that 1 over 5, fall, B flat over F, on me, back to the 1, to the F. So we're going to do that again and just play through. Well, guys, that is about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Great chorus, great song to worship with. Anyway, guys, until next time, God bless.